So we're about to start this bi-jaw surgery for this patient who's got a retruded upper jaw. We're planning to bring it more forwards and also rotate it clockwise. We've given an intubation in the submental region to be able to work on the entire face. We're going to be working on the nasal base as well, on the chin and on the angle after that. A bit on the cheek too. So we've just completed with this face makeover surgery for this patient. We've got the upper jaw forwards and downwards. Clockwise rotation. V to Y done. Work on the chin, angle, cheek. This is how the patient is looking right now. We're going to show you some different views. And then we're going to show you how the patient looked before. So you can see that there was severe maxillary hypoplasia. There was issue with the lower lip. There was pouty. The chin was broad. And all of those issues that you see we've addressed in one go. Alright, now we're going to show you the front view. Okay, so that's the front view now. Again, you can see she was just in her late teens, but she looks like she's 10 years older before surgery. We've given her a young looking face now, where the cheekbones and the cheek are in the right place, the nasal base and the upper lip, the lower lip and the chin and the angle, all of that has been corrected and is in the right position now.